This is Jack McCaig with Liberty Aid. You can legally avoid income tax. It's totally legal. We have a bulletproof trust to be able to do that. You may have to change a few things around in how you do business out there, but not much. In some cases, nothing at all, really. Just a new bank account with a new trust, that's all. Um, See, the In God We Trust exists. That's actually the United States, In God We Trust. So we're operating a similar type of trust. They don't pay taxes up to anyone. You don't pay taxes up to anyone, you see. Trusts receive grants. So there's no income. Those are tax free. Pretty simple. So, the In God We Trust is, what's on the dollar. So they're operating a business. You can operate the same kind of business. Legally avoid any income tax by doing exactly what they do. Get the bulletproof trust and cure that issue.